Model, 68-plate Ford Transit Connect 240L2 Diesel 1.5 EcoBlue 120ps Limited Van Powershift Spare OR Repairs Automatic Star-Struck Top Spec Reversing Cameras The Lot Smiling Face. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 150532. MOT, 23 May 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120ps S6H. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Automatic gearbox looks all good, no fault codes. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, 2 keys, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119